Shev Bhaji. This is a popular dish from the Khandesh region of Maharashtra. A spicy curry is made to which thick shev or gathia is added and is served with bhakris or chapatis. Firstly, we have to make a masala paste for which we will need 1 thinly sliced large onion, 1/4 cup of grated dry coconut, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of chopped ginger, and 5 to 6 bedgi dry red chilies. Heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon oil. Add chopped onions. Add a pinch of salt and saute the onions till they turn golden brown in color. The onions should lose their raw smell and should turn fragrant. Once the onions have turned golden brown in color, we'll add the grated dry coconut, garlic, chopped ginger, and the bedgi dry red chilies. Saute this till the coconut turns golden brown in color and all other ingredients are well roasted. Allow this to cool completely. Once it has cooled down, we'll transfer it to a mixer jar. We'll add some water and blend this to a fine paste. Keep this masala paste aside. Now heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons oil. Add a pinch of asafoetida and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now dip in the masala paste. Saute the masala paste. Keep stirring the paste continuously till it thickens and starts leaving the sides of the pan. The masala has cooked well. Now we'll add half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, salt as per taste, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Traditionally for this dish, khandeshi kala masala is used, but I have used the regular garam masala. Now add 4 cups of water. Give it a good mix. Cover the pan and bring the curry to a brisk boil. The curry should be thin like this. The consistency of the curry should be thin. We don't want thick curry because the sev needs to soak the curry. Now garnish with chopped coriander. Pour the curry into a serving bowl. Add shev. Add lemon juice, chopped coriander, and serve this with bhakris or chapatis. You can even serve them with pav. If you liked the recipe, please press the like button, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.